on the walkthrough of Wilsonia?
Not just to show it, but to feel the vibe, feel the memories, and make it more memorable.
Go it while you're young. Take the girls tonight. Sing the sleighing song. Get a hotel bay to 40 Forest Speed and hitch you to an open sleigh.
So now we are at the counter where our classmates are giving the batches. Hello ma'am, good morning.
Hi, good morning. How are you, children?
All good ma'am. So
Having a great time together?
Yes.
Enjoying every bit of Wilsonia's open house, right?
Hello everyone.
We are giving star batch for 2000 batch students.
2K batch also. So this reunion is very special for the 2K batch.
So let's get an overview of whole Wilsonia.
And take a moment to appreciate all the decoration done by our hardworking teachers, staff, and our schoolmates.
So here are the food stalls and the admission counter. So this is our admission counter.
Where curiosity walks in
Confusion walks out.
and the quietly feature begins.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming, sir.
And this is the most fun point and the center point of our whole campus today. Center selfie point. Because fests are incomplete without taking a selfie.
And give
Wish you a Merry Christmas. I hope you all are enjoying yourself.
Thank you so much. You are definitely the child.
Excuse me, sir.
Good morning sir.
So, here are our respected director, sir, as he don't need any introduction because his work introduces him. So, sir, can we take some bites from you, some bites questions? Sir, what inspires you to organize this such a big open house day?
It's Christmas season and we wanted to celebrate it with all our friends and family. Wilsonia is a big family, and when the old students said that they are coming to Muradabad for a reunion, so we naturally, the school has to be welcoming to all our old students, all our old teachers. So it is just a day to welcome the students for a reunion and also then have a nice festive day at for Christmas celebrations. So that's it. That's why the open house. Everyone, the whole city is welcome today to visit Wilsonia.
That's a great idea. And, sir, what's the one message you would like to give to all the parents who are seeking Wilsonia first time?
Wilsonia is a 60-year-old school. We have lots of tradition, but still we're keeping up with the times, trying to improve ourselves, trying to see how things can be improved. We are always open to suggestions also, and from you wonderful children who are also giving us so much input and telling us how we can make ourselves better. So progress is the key. You cannot just keep sitting and going by past laurels. You have to keep thinking about how to make things better. So that's it. That's what Wilsonia is today.
Definitely, sir.
Thank you so much sir.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna.
So, let's meet our busy and most talented teachers.
And the most beautiful corner of a school.
Yes, creative teachers we got. So here, Jyotika ma'am, Anjali ma'am,
Hello
our
ma'am.
Rachna
Rachna
ma'am.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
So here, Shaz ma'am is also busy in all these
Hello,
decorations.
this is finally the gallery is ready. We really worked hard. The senior teachers selected the photographs and then we put it here so that when alumni and old teachers come, they can have
It's
a look.
just a corner for hit the nostalgia.
Yes, exactly. Hit the nostalgia
It's the
corner.
nostalgia
Hello,
corner. Good morning.
Here we have the return gift desk and our beautiful teachers doing a lot of hard work.
जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे
Hello, good afternoon ma'am.
Good afternoon, girls and boys.
How are you ma'am?
I'm good. How are you all?
So, thank you so much for this lovely fest.
I hope you're enjoying. And what do you think? Are the people enjoying?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we talked to them. They're so happy to back at Wilsonia. The ex-students.
Very nostalgic also.
And it's so nice to see all these old teachers and old students. And they all have that family feeling when they come into Wilsonia, which is what we want to always have that.
Where logic meets imagination, the STEM lab sparks curiosity through science and innovation, while the art gallery gives thoughts a voice through colors and creativity. Different paths, one purpose, learning with meaning.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Today, these seats are not just filled with people, they are filled with memories. Our alumni written, carrying stories, lessons, and moments that time never erased. Here is a library, beautifully decorated, in which financial literacy is taught in a meaningful way. Here, students learn about saving, budgeting, and managing money wisely. This place helps build practical life skills for the future. The old photograph displayed here shows students from different batches capturing their memories, achievements, and learning journey over the years. Walking through the familiar corners of Wilsonia, memories written of lesson taught, laughter shared, and teaching era deeply missed.
Feliz Navidad.
The classrooms comes alive with the spirit of Christmas, colorful decorations, glowing lights, and a joyful atmosphere that turns learning into celebration and memory. Welcome to our science labs, where we learn by doing. In chemistry lab, we mix chemical, watch reactions, and learn the importance of being careful. The bio lab is all about life. We look at cells under the microscope, study plants and animals, and see how nature works. Every experiment teaches us patience, respect for living things, and responsibility. It's a place where curiosity meets care. In the physics lab, we test laws of motion, energy, and forces. Accuracy matters, and observation is a key. These labs don't teach science, they teach discipline, respect, and thinking. This is our SAM lab, where science, technology, engineering, and math come together. Here, students explore, create, and solve problems, turning interests and ideas into real learning and experience. This is our sports arena, where energy meets teamwork. Play football, cricket, and more in a safe professional space. Every game here builds skills, discipline, and sportsmanship, making it more than just a field. It is a place where players grow and enjoy the true spirit of sports. Welcome to our Jubilee Hall, a versatile space where learning and fun meet. It hosts board examinations and also offers a great space for indoor games.
So now let's meet our beloved Ma'am Jyotika, and Ma'am, she behind every successful event, she's the main reason. So Ma'am, how long are you here at Wilsonia?
I'm here since 1996. A long time, and I'm so happy still here and working with all energy. And I'm very happy because all of you are loving me.
Ma'am, how do you coordinate all these things as being the vice principal of Girls Block and as the most senior teacher at the Girls Branch?
Everyone cooperates me, everyone listens me, everyone listen and work according as I want. So I'm so happy, and
And she is also known as the Wikipedia of Wilsonia. So, thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
thank you. God bless you.
The heart of Wilsonia, the admin block. So today we are covering the workaholics of Wilsonia group. So let's move.
We'll be missing a cash officer, fees wale sir, Mr. Sudarshan Kumar, who is still working at the age of 78. He is not right now. And then we have our very active accountant head, Mr. Dinesh Kumar, ex-Wilsonia.
Sir, as you are the alumni of Wilsonia too, and now having such an important responsibility here, so how it feels?
It feels very good.
Yes, sir. Sir, what is your primary work here?
Handling all the accounts, basically salaries of class 4 and of the entire group.
Yes.
Plus the salaries of entire group, PF and all government correspondence.
So that's a really huge responsibility. Thank you so much. You are our behind the scene heroes.
Thank you very much.
Then we have our always smiling Mr. Rashid Khan of Document Head.
So since when you are being the part of Wilsonia family?
Last 19 years I am working as a Wilsonia College. With the experience, my role involving tying the maintenance, all the documentation of the students regarding transfer certificates, migrations and all types of documents. And as well as I am also taking classes also, class 2006 to 2023, classes 6 to 8 10th and to 23 to 26 only for class 9 as a bio teacher.
So as we know that you had a really important work, you are managing the accounts of all the students and their reports. You are very supportive to all the parents. So how did this work feels to you for all those years?
This work is easy to me because I am last 19 years working the same work, same teaching, same profession, same work, same documentation. So this is very much easy to me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the work.
Then we have our administration, VB administration, Ms. Shaz Ansari with a vast experience of international and national schools, and she is the first female vice principal of Wilsonia in the 60 years.
As Shaz ma'am is known for her unique ideas and thoughtful planning, she brings discipline and creativity all together. So ma'am, what inspires you to bring innovations and activities like today?
Well, I have been taught to explore myself as much as possible. So I try to explore the ideas with the Gen Z so that it suits them, their personality and their atmosphere. And then you people are there, your energy inspires me so that the children energy is like, you know, in the correct direction and that doesn't scatter. And discipline goes hand in hand.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am is the most relatable person for all our Gen Zs here.
Thank you so much. It's a big compliment.
Yes ma'am. What's your biggest challenge for being the vice principal of this boys' school?
Actually, you said it yourself. The biggest challenge is to be the vice principal of boys' school.
Okay ma'am.
Because it's only boys, so it's really difficult to handle the discipline. Every day is a new day, new learning. Sometimes I feel now I know everything about the school, but then suddenly new thing happens. And then it's all learning. Life is learning, so I'm like there.
Ma'am, thank you so much for your cooperation.
Thank you, and you're doing a really good job with all this vlogging.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
It's not just a reception desk. It's the connection and the trust from many years. So, ma'am, how do you feel like being a part of Wilsonia?
It's a wonderful experience. I've been working here for 5 years, and I feel like I'm just at home.
So thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad.